Hi friends, welcome to my channel and I hope that all of you are doing well. Today in this video, as you can see, that I have done this Desi makeup look due to the festive occasion which is about to come, that is the Bengali New Year, which is called in Bengali as Poila Baisakh. So I wish you all a very happy Poila Baisakh to all. And I have done my eye makeup look inspired from the outfit which I am wearing, which is of mustard reddish color. So it's a mixture of a lot of bright vibrant colors. So if you guys are interested to know that how I have achieved this look, then please continue watching. So at first I have taken this MAC Strobe Cream in the shade Pinklight and Dr. Brandt Luminizer Primer. I'm mixing both the products together and I will be applying this onto my entire face. Now this really helps to give a nice fresh dewy look to the makeup. For my eyebrows, I'm using this Dipbrow Pomade from ABH in the shade Ebony. I always tend to reach out for this particular product when there is any kind of important occasion, be it a marriage function or any kind of festive look or any important makeup look which you need to do, because this keeps your brows in place. You don't have to worry about it at all. For my base makeup today, I'm using this CC Cream from IT Cosmetics. This has SPF 50 plus and UVA and UVB rays. This is a full coverage CC Cream with a hydrating formula. I absolutely love this. I think this is going to be a staple product during summer. And moreover, during the daytime, if you're outside, you don't have to worry about the sunscreen or the sun rays affecting your skin because this has the protection. For the concealer today, I'm using a new product from ELF, which is their Camo Concealer. And this is, I think I'm in the shade medium beige. I will be listing down all the products which I'm using in this video in my description box, so do check that out. And I think I have started falling in love with this concealer because this is a great coverage, easily gets blend onto your skin and it doesn't crease at all. So I really love this affordable good quality concealer. I'm also using this on my forehead, on my nose, and I've also used this on my eyelid, which will act as a base for my eyeshadow. Next, in order to set everything, I'm using these press powders from IT Cosmetics. So I'm mainly concentrating onto my eyelid and a little bit onto the rest of my face where I have applied my concealer. So next, for the bronzer, I am using this Tarte Bronzer and I'm a little bit bronzing it and not too much. So I will be using this under my jawline and also on the forehead and a little bit onto my nose as well. Next, for the blush, I'm using this Enchanted Paradise blush from Loreal, and this has got a nice fruity scent to it which I love it. And as you can see that this really gives a nice fresh colors onto your cheeks. And as always, in order to set everything and lock properly, I'm using the setting spray from CoverFx. And now for the highlighter, I'm using this NYX Highlighter. And as you can see that this gives such a nice glow onto your face. I'm using this on the highest point of my cheekbone under my brow and also a little bit on the forehead, on my nose, and also on my cupid's bow. And now it's the time for my favorite eyeshadow palette from Colorpop, which is called as Colorpop Yes Palette. And at first I'm taking this brown shade which is called as Chauffer, and with a medium fluffy brush I'm depositing this color at first onto my crease, and then I am mixing this color in a circular motion. Now with the same fluffy brush, next I'm taking this matte brick color which is called as a Louie, and I'm first placing the color and then I'm blending this just underneath my crease. Then I've taken this particular reddish color which is called as Buttercake, and with another fluffy brush I am depositing this color only onto the end of my eyelid and a little bit spreading outside. And finally for the center of my eyelid, I've taken this shimmer shadow which is called as Spoiled, and with the help of my ring finger, as you can see the pigmentation, it's just so beautiful. I am placing this only onto the center of my eyelid. All the shades in this particular palette are so pigmented and so beautiful. Next for the liner, I've taken this Benefit roller liner and I'm just drawing a little wing with this particular pen. Today I will be using a Kajal pencil, and for that I've taken this Kajal pencil from Wet n Wild, which is dark black in color and creamy in texture. Next, with a flat brush, I will be blending this Kajal so that it gives a nice smoky effect to the eyes. I've taken that matte brown shade which is called as Chauffer, and with the same flat brush I'm placing that on my lower waterline. Then I'm curling my lashes, and for the mascara I'm using this No7 Voluminous Mascara, and I also will be using the same mascara onto my lower lashes as well. Now with the help of the pencil brush, I'm using the same NYX highlighter in the inner corner of my eyes and also under the brow bone. And finally for the lip shade, I'm using this MAC Viva Glam 1 lip shade, which you can see it's a beautiful rich red in color, and this is so intensely pigmented. Using the CoverFx setting spray once again in order to set everything, and with the right accessory, that is this earrings and some falsies, and with a bindi, I have completed this makeup look. So this is how I've created this Indian festive makeup look, and I really had fun creating this one. I feel that with the right application of the kajal and by applying a small bindi, it brings such a uniqueness into any kind of Indian makeup look. Do let me know what are your thoughts for this particular makeup look. I would love to hear from you all. So thank you so much for watching, and if you have liked today's video, then please hit on the like button and do consider subscribing my channel. I'm also very much active on Instagram, so I will attach the link on my Instagram account down below. So do check that out because I keep on updating everything related to makeup and beauty. So till then, all of you take care, and I'll see you super soon in my next video. Bye.